Hello, everyone. Welcome to this afternoon's after school club. If you haven't heard of us before, we are Deuce Space, wow, in Omaha, Nebraska. We are a digital library where people can come in, use computer labs, learn new things, tech, and be an opportunity for people to able to quickly access things online and use internet and print things really quickly. My name is Ruth, and our after school club. I am introducing our after school club to you, where it's basically, like since everyone's not everyone, but a lot of people are still in lockdown, and to be safe, this is how we're doing our afternoon programs here. So on Mondays, we do design with me. On Tuesdays, we do coding. Wednesdays is making. Thursdays is guest day or gaming. If you go to our website at dospace.org, you click After School Club, you'll see what we plan to do. Um, Within the day, Mondays design it, Tuesdays kid coders, make it for Wednesdays, like I said before, guest speakers. And if you guys really like these activities, you can also earn prizes with Beanstack. If you go to our Beanstack page right here, it's also like in our little banner across at the bottom. You can come here and sign up and win prizes and earn badges and points, like your other libraries do. I know the one in Bellevue, Nebraska does it. So today we're going to go over game jams. Last week we did a really quick game jam, just as a refresher. A game jam is like a hackathon, and a hackathon and game jams are an event where you spend a certain amount of time making a prototype as fast as you can. If you have been watching After School Club on Mondays before, we've been going over design for the past several weeks. So we're just kind of exercising our design brains and getting things done here. So with game jams is a great way to test your design and create prototypes. Prototypes just like a sample idea of your design. You do really quickly. Global Game Jam here, they do theirs for like 48 hours over a weekend for making games, and obviously we don't have enough time to do that. um, so like right here, they usually sometimes there's a competition, sometimes it's not. Hackathons are the same thing, except for you're like making something. Like it could be code project, it could be not, it could be like a new invention, it could be something fun. Some people like write books for hackathons. It counts. Game Jam is just specifically for games. So now we got that. We're going to be using FlowLab here. I taught like FlowLab a while ago. You can always go to our DoSpace YouTube page and learn more about here. I'm not going to be explaining how to do a lot of things, but I'll be going over what I do in design. And FlowLab is free. You get 3 games, not in total, like completely ever. You just, cycle them through, delete one. You can just export one to your computer and then delete it and then like create a new project. You just have a limit of 3 at a time. Now, what we did last week is that we made like the theme was like becoming whole. Is Flow Lab, and it's basically just moving around and collecting little things. Becoming good. It's like a little cell collecting things, just to experiment some ideas. And it's not a whole game yet, but it's just a quick prototype. It was made in like 20 minutes. Just moving around real quick, kind of trying to move around it. Bigger I get, slower I am. But yeah, just kind of testing out mechanics there. So, I closed Flow Lab. So we're going to generate a theme here. If you have a theme suggested, you can always type it in chat on Twitch or in Facebook. You can always interact with me, say hi. Hello, how's it going here? This makes me feel like I'm not talking to a void. Or maybe, for someone who's like watching the video recording later. Yeah, you can comment saying like I made this or I made that. Yeah, you can totally like use the skills and make a game jam with me. But otherwise, if no one's got any suggestions, I'm just gonna use a theme generator here. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate dual. Oh, I forgot to grab open Padlet because we also did a little part for design too. I already am signed. I want to sign in. This is something I completely forgot to sign into. There we go. I just use Padlet for organizing ideas. I think it was this one. Yeah, and there's our old ideas. Little illustrations there. Okay. Duel. Duel's the theme. So here we go. We're starting now. So I'm just gonna make a little notes here. The theme is duel, which could be anything. I'm gonna draw a thing. I mean, I could do like a regular type, like old school duel, where there's like two people. We're gonna try to come up with three ideas. That's the main thing here. After I come up with three ideas, I'm gonna choose one. So here's a sword, and then here's another person with a sword. And they fight. Okay, that's one idea right there. You guys can also come up with an idea for duel too. Okay, I'm gonna come up with another one. Of course, when I talked about brainstorming for the past weeks, I always said try to get those like boring standard ideas out and then work with other things. Another thing for duel, usually think about, countdowns where there's like a person right here. I'm thinking like American wise, like with our old westerns with duels. It's usually a contest of something, and like they like usually, shoot the other person within a countdown with westerns. I'm trying to draw a cowboy hat here. So that's one right there. So those two are kind of the same idea. So I'm not gonna count that as a separate idea here. So that's two of the same kind of idea, where it's just, people kind of finding it out. Yeah, duels are usually something of contest. Trying to think of another idea here. Gotta do it quickly. The quicker I get an idea out, the more time I have to making a game. So, another thing, I can always do is always go online. These are obviously one versus one. I accidentally looked up an actor. Duel fencing contest of some sort. Duel usually is a fight of some type here. Jousting is another kind of duel. So it's the whole 1v versus 1 mechanic. So it could be anything. Rock, paper, scissors could be a duel. More type of cards, or Rochambeau, which is rock, paper, scissors. Type of mechanic. Well, I'm slowing down here. Could be whoever does the action first. Simon Says, I guess, can be kind of duel here. Mimicking basically whoever gets to the thing first. Hits the button first. So hit button first. And I'm kind of thinking of a thing where, like, there's two people playing, and then maybe, like, show cards. Could be rock, paper, scissors. Where it's like 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors. Whoever presses the right one is right. Whoever does it wrong loses. Another idea is, the last one is more of like a jousting type thing. I'm just gonna type jousting because I don't really need to draw it. There you go. Again, I'm gonna keeping this super, super simple. Okay, we've got our ideas. Which one I should do? Guys can, discuss with me which one I should do here. I like this one here where they hit the button first, because that's what really duels is. Whoever does the thing first. I'm thinking more Western. Western cinema Or I can do something towards fencing, which requires a contest and some skill, versus this is just, being quick. I want to do this one because it's faster to make this amount of time we have. When it comes to like designing, creating things in game jams, you gotta be quick and you gotta like think about your time. And I only got like 20, 30 minutes, so I don't have a lot of time here. So I'm gonna go here. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that one. And I'm gonna make a new game here. I gotta refresh the page so it'll let me. There we go, new game. Edit game, waiting for it to load. Come on. Empty product. There we go. Go into settings. Just gonna name this dual. Make it a little bit wider. There we go. And then I'm thinking gonna have a person in the middle holding up like a card, and you gotta pick up which one to go with. I'm just gonna do like a really light yellow background here. Man, I'm slowing down already. Okay, there we go. And then I need to create a character. So I'm just gonna name this follow person. Or mime, I guess. Mime. Edit. And then gotta create a character here. I'm gonna go browse, select category. Have this little alien here. Okay. Done. They're gonna be right here. I'm gonna make them bigger. Can I make them bigger? No, I can't. This is just limited to 32 by 32. I'm just gonna, and I'm right here. I'm gonna create just a platform for them. Just a little ground for them to stand on. There we go. I always can click on it and clone. There they go. Done cloning, and I'm gonna give them like a little speech bubble for them to say something. There we go. And create. I'm gonna do red card. Edit. So, okay, my main idea here is it says a color, and whoever clicks the color first, or hits the number of the color first wins and gets a point for that duel. It's kind of stretched out here, but I'm gonna have a little countdown, and it's gonna be like a random time. Straight away. Guess I'll just go with this one here. I'm gonna paint bucket. Make it all red here. Oh, I didn't choose the color. Here we go, and I'm gonna write a number on it. And this is 1. Okay, it's a weird looking one. And then gotta create another one. I'm gonna name this one blue card. Edit sprite. Pink bucket. And put this number 2. I'm starting to zone out here. So 2, kind of. Now green card. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna place these over here. Oh, I forgot to forgot to put a number in this one. There we go. So I got 1, 2, 3. And I'm thinking like both players can hit 1, 2, 3 in a 2 keypad, so it's a 2-player game. Okay. And then I need to make a few sprites here. I need to make like a speech bubble. Is there any speech bubbles already? Um, hmm. Here's it kind of, I'm thinking like dialogue and stuff, and it's kind of hard to make dialogue. I think I can actually just print text and be fine. I'm actually going to put these at the center at the top instead. Or no, the center right here. Okay, there we go. So that's basically so far what I need. Now we're gonna create some objects here. So actually I do need to create an empty object. So text object. And what I'm thinking is like this is gonna store just my data. Here we go. And then now we can go here and edit and go to behaviors. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna need a timer. I'm gonna need mouse. I'm gonna need labels. So first I need labels. So this is actually more of my game controller. It's just the thing that holds all my data for me. Um, so you look through my components here. These are all different components that you can work with and do different things. Right now I'm just like trying to remember how to do a few things. Oh yeah, GUI. Alert bar label cursor. There we go. What's the alert do? I'm gonna go to not help here. Let's see. Alert displays a simple dialog box with a message and a button to close. The title, the message, and the button, as well as the colors of each element, can be selected properties. And that's something I have to open and close, so no, don't want that. I could do a bar, but that's like for health and such. So I'm actually gonna label here. And in the label, right now it's just called label. And I'm gonna have it, guess go with black for now. Oh, that's the type of font. There it is. I was just like, what's going on here? Okay, just gonna name it P1 score colon space. I'm gonna put a number next to that. I changes based on the data for getting the score. I could do outline, none, shadow. It's got like all these weird fancy. What is with all these? It's just I'll just I guess I'll stick with that. Okay, and then okay for now. I could change the value where it is. I'm gonna keep it there for now. And then I actually need to add a second label here. And you can see there's a problem where these are overlapping. So I need numbers. Okay. One number, two number. And this will be at 0. This will be the second one at 30, I think. It's not really changing its spot right there. I'm just gonna test it out. Nope. Not doing what I want. Okay. I'm just gonna put B2 score. Yeah, that works. It's kind of hard to see. It's like in the upper left right here is what we're looking at. Okay. Oh, is that just 30 pixels over? That's probably why. Nope. Hmm. I'm gonna go into help here because I'm confused. Yeah, I need to be able to place these. All right, now it's falling to the upper left. Let's see, size 10. Nope. Still not working. Nope, still overlapping. This shouldn't be a problem. Okay, Flow Lab, how to move labels. Oh, that's not good. Let's see. Let's go to games. No education. Help. Video tutorials, helpful examples. Let's go to helpful examples. Simple coin collect. Let's go here. Let's go add a game. FlowLab also has a bunch of examples. I'm just going through the examples to see what's going on here. Edit. Behaviors. See, their label's different. Oh, it's off screen. Oh, did they break their... I think they broke their label system. Oh my gosh. Oh, didn't mean to open it. Oh my gosh, did they really... break their labels. Coin collect new level. I add more examples too. That's crazy. Okay, let's see if this one works. Okay, yep, there we go. So there's, it's in the upper left, and it's down a little bit. I think it's gonna be in this character here. Okay, there's label. Click on it. It's yellow, upper left. Oh, I accidentally deleted it. Behavior. Let's just refresh. Does this have a behavior? I think all the behaviors are in here. Okay, it starts at 0, size 17. The value is 0. But if I go over here and add a label now, everything is different. Wow, I might not finish my game because it's taken forever just for me to fix this label thing. And it's kind of important. Health is all the way off over here. I play. Yeah, their label system is broken. That is not good. I need to find something. Let's see this one. Okay, that's a little bit better. That's a little bit more promising. Hey. As a border color. How did they move it? High score. Open bundle. Number 0. Compare. Old number to new number for the score out. Play. Yeah, it looks like it's a little bit broken here. Ugh. How did they move it? What's going on here? Oh my gosh. I guess I can do it that way. I'm gonna do cheat here. It'll make it a lot easier just to do it this way. Okay, edit, behavior. Okay. So that's not gonna work, so I'm just gonna go over here. And this is just the alignment of the font. So I'm gonna do this the old way. There we go. There we go. Works. Same result. We're good. We're good. There we go. Okay. So there's these labels here for their scores. And then we're gonna have more labels. These labels have to be different than the initial labels we have, because these labels are going to change. So we don't want them to be the same as these up here. So I'm just going to grab some numbers. There's a number right there. The value right there. Just going to do 0 for now. Space it out over here. I'm gonna give this label as P1 score, so I'm gonna get them mixed up. Cancel. I wish I could just copy paste things too. Label value into here. Label starts at 0. Space it out a bunch. Let me right there. This would be P2 score. Okay. Got these two now. Got my labels. Okay. Now I need to do a button press here. Yeah, let's do some button presses here. Some ifs. Actually, first I should get this character right here to spawn some random data is what I need to do. So is there anything here that lets me spawn type to spawn? Also, I need the random. No. I might be limited on this part. Let's see here. Game flow. Multiplayer? Nope. Add. There's, oh. That explains everything now. They added a text list. Oh my gosh, that explains everything. Okay. Okay. This will be red. Next test. Blue. Next test will be green. This is for setting. I don't see it anywhere right now. Maybe it's the labels. This is new right here. Oh, I can do a text list? Oh my gosh. Blue, red, green. I'm just like discovering a bunch of things here. And I'm like, what? This is new. Okay. Looks like this is just for entering text data. I'm gonna have to grab another property, another label. Must be blank for now. Oh, that's not good. How do I'm gonna have to look at the guide here. I'll put one item in the list. Okay, what do I think how this text thing works? It has this data. I want to have it choose one. So one for the value. Just gonna do a dummy text right here. Name it red. I'm just like moving all the text down. There we go. It's up there. Keep that for now. Test. Up. And then a trigger. And then you look at the data for this again. All outputs the entire list. One, sending a number, pop the value from then, join the list together, find, searches the value in there. Can it change the value over here? I'm trying a bunch of different stuff right now. What happens if I put all in here? No, there's colors on these. What? There's another issue I just thought of. I'm gonna keep it blank for now. Play. Nope, nothing in there. It's not gonna do what I wanted to do. The thing that I'm going for here actually might not be possible in FlowLab. Random's only a random of numbers. Let's go back to text and lists. Saying compare text. List each, list count, number list. I'm gonna look at their examples again. I'm gonna go over to their text examples. Where is their text example? Let's see, edit this. Come on, let me edit. Let's look at your behavior. Keyboard, hex sanitize, and it puts in the list. The value comes out. Any key goes into here. It pushes text. And the label does, yeah, you need a label out there. It clicks join. What if I delete this and put 1 in there? Run. Yep, nothing's happening here. That's why. So I'll push. Not one. Doesn't work. Pop. Nope. It has to be join. Again, sorry guys, this is just running out weird here. Okay, so it has to be join. Oh, I should stop this first. Edit to 0. Okay, and run. Oh, nothing's activating it. Push. Gotta have something in push to activate it. Thinking how about just a mouse click. Oh, oh, nope, nope. Test. Oh wait, this is off screen. Clicking doesn't look like it's adding anything to the label. Oh no, it needs to be joined. That's why. There we go. It joins all of them. Actually want to be one. It's not joining the one. Oh, does it have to be the same on both ends? Yep. Okay, now here's the next part. How do we make it random? We finally getting progress here, but I might have not enough time to finish the game. Now, can I like put this in the center here? There we go. Okay. Test it. Oh, and it puts it turns at the upper left. That's not good. Now to figure out how to get this somewhere else. Is there like a special location thing within text? Nope. Let's do 100. Okay. Oh, don't tell me I have to have this in here to get it to go. Yeah, that's the issue. You have to have something to activate it to get it to go. That's not that great. Okay. That's kind of dumb. Before you could just set it anywhere and you're okay. So that's going to the X. So I needed to be at like 300 here. Yes. More like 280. I promise, game development is fun. I might actually continue this next week just to finish it up. Um, just, show you guys how to do this. Sometimes things take a little bit longer. Okay, now I need a number. Just kind of angry that I have to set these numbers to get it to go. Let's do about 250. Run. Oh, too low. About 215. I'm just doing location here. And the location starts from the upper left to right. This is 0 up here. Goes all the way down here. There we go. Yep, click. And it sets it to a random number. Okay, there we go. We're making progress. We're making some progress here. Okay, now I have to figure out how to get it to randomly choose a number from the list. Because the other notice every time I go through, it always chooses blue, because I think blue is the first one on the list. Happens if they do. What's pop again? Help. There you go, pop. Joins the last value at the end. 1 sends the output list in at that position of 1. Joins the current text in there. Pushes a new value onto the end list by 1. Okay. Got it. Okay. If I do 1 and I test it, gives me blue. If I do push, that's not gonna work, is it? Yeah, because it's adding things to the list here. If you do all, it'll be all the values. If you do join, it'll just join the current values. Yep, adds them all. And I put 1s in between. That's interesting. Maybe there's something from the text list? List each, list order. Nope. Wait, list order. Shuffle list. There we go. Oh, can I not? I can't, like... I have to do a new list? Hmm. There we go. It is shuffling the list here. I feel like I'm doing a really odd way here. Shuffling the list is changing the order there, but then I need something to activate it. Okay, green, blue. It's working. Yep, there we go. This is such a convoluted way to do this, to change the order. Oh my gosh. Hey, how that works. Now I'm gonna switch it to a timer. Where are you, timer? I see clock. I don't think clock is the same thing as a timer. Yep, there it is. Nope. I'm like, I don't need an actual clock. Here we go. That, delete that out. Needs to go to that. And that. Was that right? Yep. You just auto started and entered a color. Okay, here we go. We're making lots of progress. Repeat forever. Just to make sure it works. So it works every 10 seconds. Well, 10 milliseconds. There we go. There we go. Yeah, we got a randomizer of colors. Okay. Got this. I'm still mad about the number thing having to be activated just to get it to go there. I think I can also change the color of the text. I see a thing for alpha, but not for color. Yeah, I got this going. Okay, so I don't have enough time to finish this today, so I'm going to continue this next week. On Monday at what's it called? At 4:30 again, just to finish this off for Game Jam. This is turned into like a 2-hour game jam instead of a 1-hour game jam. But that's all the time we have today. Thank you very much for watching, and I encourage you guys to do hackathons and game jams to just, teach yourselves guys something new, and do it quickly to see if you, enjoy it or not. Otherwise, have a good afternoon, everyone.